1 in Unit 8 D and F block elements. Your NCERT topic 8.6 Actinoids. 14 elements from thorium to lawrencium. We already discussed about lanthanide series in which 14 elements from lanthanum to lutetium. Here 14 elements from thorium to lawrencium. Now just you understand that in particular F block elements, outermost orbital containing general electronic configuration is, remember this, n-2 f1 to 14, n-1 d0 to 1 and ns2, where suppose we consider actinoids at that time n is equal to 7. If you put n is equal to 7, then 7 minus 2, that is 5, 7 minus 1, that is 6, and n, that is 7. So here we put this value, and according to that we find out certain electronic configuration. Now atomic number 89 to 103 is considered as actinoid series, but actinium first element is not considered according to 4F. We can say that actinoid series containing elements, because we can see that in f orbital 0, in 5 orbital 0 electron is there, that's why it is not considered. But from thorium to lawrencium is considered as, we can say that, F block elements, and particularly actinoid series. So here just one tabular form is given in your textbook, that atomic number is there, atomic number 89 actinium, atomic number 90 thorium, atomic number 91 protactinium, 92 uranium, 93 neptunium, 94 plutonium, atomic number 95 americium, atomic number 96 curium, atomic number 97 berkelium, atomic number 98 californium, atomic number 99 einsteinium, atomic number 100 fermium, atomic number 101 mendelium, atomic number 102 nobelium, and atomic number 103 lawrencium. And the symbol is AcTHPAU, NPPu. AC, from this we can say that here TH, here PA, here U, here NP, here we can say that plutonium. So P and U is there. Here americium, here curium, here berkelium is there. Another is californium, another is einsteinium, another is, we can say that, fermium, another is mendelium, and another is nobelium, and last one is lawrencium. So according to that, symbol is given. But how do you remember electronic configuration? It's a very big question. So here also symbol. So symbol is remembered by one sentence, which is not related with any incident, or say any we can say that particular history. Here just to see how we pronounce, how we can say that, how we remember particular elements in a sequence. So here trick is this: ek, tha, pa, jo, tha, nab, nab, tu, अमेरिका का सीएम बन के कैलिफोर्निया के आइंस्टाइन ने एफएम रेडियो पे एमडी नंबर एलआर कहा। फिर से एक बार, एक था पाऊ, जो था नपू, अमेरिका का सीएम बन के कैलिफोर्निया के आइंस्टाइन ने एफएम रेडियो पे एमडी नंबर एलआर कहा। अब जानते हो आइंस्टाइन कैलिफोर्निया के नहीं थे, लेकिन फिर भी यहाँ पे एक सेंटेंस यहाँ तैयार किया गया है। तो यहाँ पे एक का मतलब ए से होता है, था टीएच, पा मीन्स पी ए, ऊ का मतलब होता है यू, जो था वो एडिशनल है, नब का मतलब है एनपी, पू का मतलब होता है प्लूटोनियम, अमेरिका अमेरिशियम अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट एएन, सीएम का मतलब होता है क्यूरियम, सीएम चीफ मिनिस्टर, रिमेंबर जस्ट लाइक दिस, है बन के बीके, California, you know this one, California. Einstein, name of scientist, Einstein. FM radio, you know this one, FM radio. MD number, MD is nothing but Mendelian. MD number, NO, and then LR. Remember this way. Now, how we remember electronic configuration? Once again, you make a screenshot and write down immediately with me. So here it is a very easy for you for any questions. Suppose they ask electronic configuration, suppose they ask atomic number, then you are able to give answer. So here you remember one thing. In lanthanum we prepared just like this way. Write down in your note 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 14. Then 7 and 14 make arrow just like this way. Then cut number 6 and 8. Cut number 6 and 8. So here 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5. Now you see 6 is not there. So 6 to here, which number next is there? 7. 7 to 7. Here you see 8 number is not there. So 8 number, next number is 9. So here 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Okay, 10 to 11. Next number 11 to 12, 12 to 13, 13 to 14, and 14 to 14. This is an electron which you have to fill in a 5 orbiter. Just you see sequence. We can say that sequence is considered at atomic number 90 because in actinium in 5 orbiter there is 0 electron. So here 5 1, 5 2. This is see 1, 2. Then 5 3, here 3, 5 4, here 4, 5 5, here 5, 5 7, here 7, here 5 7, once again 7, here 5 9, 9, then we can say that 10, then 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, also 13, 14, 14, and 14, 14. And then you have to write here 7s. How many electron is there? 2. So write down 2. 7 is 2. Okay. Now how we calculate in 60 orbitals 0 electron is there or 1 electron is there? Just to see, I give one example to you. You have to remember one nearest electronic configuration of noble gas containing or inert gas containing group 18 elements, and actinium is 89 and nearest is 86, and that is nothing but radon. So here radon, that is radon core. Write down radon core. Okay, atomic number is 86. So here you know this. Suppose we consider about protactinium. Okay, that is Pa. So here Rn 5 6d 7s. So we don't know here 0 or 1 is there. So first of all write down 86. 2 will be already discussed from this point. 7s2, and then you have to write addition of this 86 plus 2 88, and here 86 plus 2 88, and 88 plus 2 that is 90. So here how many electron is there? How many electron is there? Just you see once again 86, then 2, 86 plus 2 88, 88 plus 2 that is 90, and 90 and then 91. So here 91 is there. So 5 to 61 7s2. Just you check according to your textbook. So here we can say that 86 is there. 86 plus 2 88. 88 plus 1 that is 89, and 89 plus 2 that is 91. Same way 86 plus 3 that is 89. 89 plus 2 here 91, and here 1. So here just you say 1 electron is there or 0 electron is there. We just see from electronic configuration and compare in your textbook also. So there is no any error. Just you open your textbook and observe this particular electronic configuration. So it's a correct protactinium 5f2, 6d1 and 7s2. So it's a good, we can say that how we write electronic configuration. Suppose we don't know electronic configuration of americium, then atomic number of americium is 95. Then Rn 5f7 6d and 7s. Write down here 95 is there, so write down sequence according to this way, and 5f7 6d 0. So just to see 86 plus 7, 86 plus 7, that is 93, and 93 plus 2 95. So 95 is there, that means there is no electron. So in americium 60 0 is there. So according to that we write electronic configurations in a sequence. Suppose asked and you remember certain symbols. Also we have to remember certain ionic, that means suppose I consider here Cm plus 3. So here what is electronic configuration of Cm plus 3 ion? So according to shielding effect and de-shielding effect, we can say that electron first of all remove from 7s2. Okay, so 2 electron is removed and 6d 0. So here 2 and 1 electron is gone, and therefore we can say that Rn 86, 5f7, 6d1 and 6d0 and 7s0. Suppose we consider Cm plus 3. Same way, consider anything, any we can say that particular ions, you have to remove first of all electron from 7s orbital, and then if electron is remaining, and then you have to remove from 6d orbital. Okay, so this is nothing but we can say that ionic electronic configuration. We already discussed in particular the first transition series. Okay, so this is all about actinoid series. Here you have to remember one thing, that particular 5f0, 5f7 and 5f14 known for the stability. So here suppose 3 electron is removed, at that time same way we can say that it is the more stable and considered as stable electronic configuration. We discussed in particular, we considered ionic size and atomic size, and according to stability we can say that here these actinoid series containing elements are more reactive. Remember, they are more reactive because in 4f orbital this is the nearest to, we can say that center, but 5f orbital is far away, so it's a violence, and that's why we can say that from 5f orbital electron is removed. So here they produce, we can say whatever the electron is removed from 7s and 6d according to de-shielding effect, and due to that electron is removed, and that's why ions is formed. So here ionization takes place, so reactions occurs very easily as compared to lanthanoid. So they are very reactive. So this you have to remember. Particular general electronic configuration is given, and from that remember certain, we can say terms regarding this. So make a screenshot of this. Okay, now next topic is simple, we can say that actinoid are radioactive. Radioactive means what? Simple compound do not to be considered remits cosmic rays, poisonous rays, but these actinoids matters particularly, they emit cosmic rays or poisonous rays, and that's why they are considered as radioactive elements. Second thing, in your NCERT textbook, the earlier members had relatively long lives on the year. Half-lives. Ones have half-life value ranging from 8 day to ranging is 8 day to, we can say that 3 minutes. and another we can say that for Lorentzian. Remember this, for Lorentzian Z is equal to 103. The later members could prepare only a random quantities, okay, and these facts may render their study more difficult. So here certain we can say that terms is given. Actinoids are radioactive elements. Earlier members have relatively long half-lives, and it is ranging for a day to 3 minutes. For Lorentzian, Z is equal to 103. Now, next topic is we can say that 8.6.2 ionic sizes. Okay, ionic sizes means what? Just you see, the general trend in lanthanide observable in the actinoid as well. There is a gradually decrease in the size of atoms or N+3 ions across the series. So here in your textbook it is written, these may be referred as actinoid contraction. So here we can say that atomic size decrease. Just to say atomic, or we can say that ionic size M+3, atomic size decrease in the series. Okay. Now next one is according to we can say that N+3 ions across the series. This may be referred as the actinoid contraction. Actinoid contraction. Okay. Now, next one is like lanthanide contraction. The contraction is, however, greater from element to element in this series, resulting from poor shielding. By 5 electrons. Okay. So here sentence is given, and according to that, atomic size decreases in the series. We can say that just like N+3 ions, which is also shown in lanthanide series, referred as the actinoid contraction. Same way, lanthanide contraction, poor shielding by 5 electrons. According to that, we can say that ionic size is, or atomic size decreases, and poor shielding by 5 electrons. This particular observation, or simply this particular properties, is shown by actinoid series. Now next topic is oxidation states. 8.6.3. Oxidation state. So here, oxidation state, first of all we have to write down oxidation states of actinium and actinoids. Okay, so first of all sequence ether, चौथा न अमेरिका का सीएम बन के कैलिफोर्निया के आइंस्टाइन ने FM MD NO कहा। तो यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस लिखेंगे। एक्टिनियम की जो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है वो 3 है और थोरियम की नहीं है 3। किसकी है? तो सबकी, बाकी सभी यू टू राइट 3 3 3 3 3 3 3। Okay, and next one is, first of all we write this one. Thorium is 4 यहाँ पे 4 लिखेंगे। उसके बाद में सीक्वेंस कहाँ तक है, बर्केलियम तक। 4 4 4 4 4 4 और 4 हो गया। उसके बाद में हम सीक्वेंस देखेंगे P8 PU2 PA2 AN 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 और उसके बाद में U2 AN 6 6 6 6 ओके। यहाँ पे 6 6 6 और 8 बाकी 6 और उसके बाद में NP और PU यहाँ पे 7 और PU में भी NP में 7 लिखेंगे, देख लेते हैं। यस, NP में 7 और PU में भी 7 हो गया। तो यहाँ पे जो बात की गई है, there is a greater range of oxidation states which in part attributed the fact that 5, 6D and 7S levels are comparable energies. That is known as oxidation states of actinoids, which is listed in this table. And this is the oxidation states, remember, of actinium and actinoids. Okay. So actinoids shown in general plus 3 oxidation state. देख लीजिए जनरल है, ये सारे 3 दिखाई देते हैं, वो जनरल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस है। आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में जो सेंटेंस लिखा है वो आप देख लीजिए। The elements in the first half of the series frequency exhibit higher oxidation state. Just you see, first half series exhibit higher, यानी कि नेपच्यूनियम और प्लूटोनियम है, उसमें 7 7 है। ओके। उसके बाद में for example the maximum oxidation state increases from +4 in thorium, okay, to +5, okay, +4 to +5, okay, in thorium to +6 and +7 respectively in Pa and U, +6 and +7 Pa, U and Np, but decreases in surrounding or succeeding elements. The activity resembles the lanthanoids contraction. This is contraction and that's why it is considered as actinoid contraction. Resembles the lanthanoid in having more compounds in +3 state than in +4 state. Okay. However, +3 and +4 ions tend to hydrolyze because the distribution of oxidation state among the actinoid is no uneven and so different for the former. Later elements, it is unsatisfactory to review their chemistry in terms of oxidation states. We cannot distinguish these particular oxidation states, which is we can say that are particular unsatisfactory. Okay. So here particular topic of oxidation states is now over. Make a screenshot of this and try to remember it.